Hi everyone! In this video I want to show you how to attach these needle closures to the back of the earrings. This is the needle clasp I want to use for my earrings. It's got a small circle surface, a tiny hole next to it, a needle, and a small silicone back plug. You could attach this closure on the back of a petal or at the center of the work like this. First, I use this little tiny hole for sewing with a thread and a needle. And after sewing, glue it to the back of the earring to make it fixed and more stable. And let it dry. And that's it. I mostly use these clasps for flower earrings. This way you could wear your earrings and no clasp or closure is shown. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.